Difficult situations, and yes, it's also a very difficult situation. Only today I was reflecting on that you see, what do we usually pray to, what do we expect? That we can leave our body being surrounded by devotees. But in a situation like this, we may not have the devotee association. We may be in a hospital. No devotee will be allowed to come near us because of this contagious nature of this disease. And we won't be able to hear about Krishna, we won't be able to think about Krishna, we won't be able to remember Krishna. Now once we won't be able to remember Krishna, meaning like others will not remind us of Krishna. So we have to depend upon Krishna ourselves. We have to pray to Krishna with all our hearts that Krishna, please, please don't allow me to forget you. Please let me remember you at the most difficult time when I am going to leave my body, and now the situation is as such that I am become bereft of association of your devotees. You have mentioned the association of devotees is the spiritual sky. Association of devotees is your internal potency. So now I have become unable to have that association. So please let me remember you on my own, and I depend upon you. Please don't allow me to forget you. Please, this is my only prayer. So these difficulties are coming to make us more Krishna conscious. These difficulties are coming to remind us that we have to use all our means, all our resources, all our ability to become Krishna conscious, to remember Krishna all the time and never forget him. This is the time we are going to face that challenge. Remember Krishna all the time and never forget him.